In today's video, I'm going to show you how to print your spreadsheets here in Google Sheets. So if you're planning on printing your sheets or your spreadsheets, here's how to do it. I have 3 examples right here. So here is a table, here's a simple data, and a chart. So if you want to print your data, all you have to do would be to go to File here in the menu bar and select Print right here. You also have your keyboard shortcut, which is the Control or the Command key and the letter P. And here we have a preview of what your spreadsheet would look like if it were printed. So here we have the first example, which is our table. On the right side, you have the different settings for your printing. We have the current sheet, the workbook, and your selected cells. So depending on what you select right here, those will be the one that will be printed. The paper size would be totally up to you. Whichever paper that you want to use, you can select them right here. Since we're using the letter size right here, so that's 8.5 by 11 inches, this is what it's going to look like on that paper, and it will be occupying 2 papers because the orientation of our page is in landscape. If we were to change it to portrait, that is what it's going to look like. The scale will be also different depending on what you want to do. If it were in normal size, that is what it's going to look like. Fit to width, fit to height, and fit to page. Again, all of these settings would depend on you. You also have your formatting. You can show the grid lines or not, show the notes if there are any, and the alignment where you can have everything centered, like so. When you're done with all the formatting, your headers and your footers, you can go to the next step. For this next step, you're going to make sure that your computer, your desktop, or your laptop, or your Mac is connected to a printer. Again, we have the preview of your data that you want to print. Select the pages that you want to print, and if it's going to be colored or black and white. You'll also have more settings right here. If you have done that in the previous page, then there's no need for that. And the last step would be to just print it. And there you have it. If you want to print all of these right here, then just go back to File, select Print. Instead of Current Sheet, what you're going to do would be to select Workbook. With the workbook, it has selected all of the sheets right here in your spreadsheet. And then you can just continue with the next step. Here's your preview again of your sheets. And print. And there you have it. That's how easily you can print your spreadsheets here in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.